Hello, friend. Welcome to today's Words of the Day video. Are you ready to learn some fun new words? Let's go. Here are today's words. 1. Giggle. Verb, to laugh in a light, silly way. 2. Enormous. Adjective, very, very big. 3. Brilliant. Adjective, very smart or very bright. 4th, whisper. Verb, to speak very softly. 5. Journey. Noun, a long trip from one place to another. Without further ado, let's jump into explanations of each word. Our first word is giggle. Say it with me, giggle. A giggle is a tiny, playful laugh. It's the kind of laugh you make when something is funny but not too loud or crazy, like when your friend makes a silly face or you hear a funny sound. Example: Max let out a giggle when he saw the puppy chasing its own tail. Can you try giggling right now? Go ahead, giggle. Our second word is enormous. Say it with me, enormous. Enormous means really, really big. Think of an elephant. Is it small? No, it's enormous. Example: The blue whale is an enormous animal that lives in the ocean. Can you name something enormous? Maybe a mountain or a tall building? And now for our third word, brilliant. Say it with me, brilliant. Brilliant can mean two things. It can mean very smart, like when someone has a brilliant idea. Or it can mean very bright, like the shining sun. Example: Sarah is a brilliant student who loves to read books. The stars in the night sky look brilliant. Can you think of someone who is brilliant? Maybe a teacher or a scientist? Our fourth word is whisper. Say it with me, whisper. A whisper is when you speak very softly, so only someone close to you can hear. You might whisper in a library or when telling a secret. Example: Tom had to whisper in class so he wouldn't disturb his friends. Try whispering your name right now. Shh. And now for our fifth word, journey. Say it with me, journey. A journey is a long trip from one place to another. You can take a journey by car, train, plane, or even on foot. Example: Our journey to Grandma's house took 3 hours. Can you think of a journey you've been on? Maybe a vacation or a school trip? Great job! Today, we learned 5 awesome words: giggle, enormous, brilliant, whisper, and journey. Try using them in your conversations today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun words. See you next time. Bye-bye.